Today I have a new unboxing for you. This is from Creative Memories. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'll just start at the top. First, I got the rainbow pen set that came with that, little case, which I will show you. Look at all these beautiful colors. I am so excited. Every color I could possibly need. Look at this beautiful green. And those have a little case. Here it is. So, they go in here, and the pens have loops to be held, and there's extra pen loops after you put all of these in. So there are 12. And I think there are 15 loops. And you put them in. Once you fill this up, it rolls up like this. I'm so excited. And it buttons right here. Perfect for going to crops, perfect for going on retreats, perfect for just, if you're scrapbooking on the road or at the park while your kids are playing, perfect. Or this is for all kinds of things, cards, any art projects. So excited. Okay, that is the rainbow pen set with the matching rainbow dots satchel or pouch, I think. Let's see if it says the name. Fabric pen holder, something like that. But you can't mistake how it looks. Okay. I got these football fever embellishments for free during Super Bowl Sunday by just doing a scavenger hunt. I could only find 2 helmets. I don't know if you watched my preview Friday right before the Super Bowl. I talked about how you can win a $200 shopping spree. A bunch of people, I think 3 people or several people got to win that if you found all of the helmets and then you were entered into a drawing. I only found 2 helmets. It was hard. One time I actually stumbled upon one on accident. And then I was like, oh, maybe I can find them all. Anyway, I only found 2, but they gave me free football, the football fever embellishments for playing along. That was fun. Okay, I got another Creative Memories trash bin. These are only $5. If you want one, let me know. They're really great because they fold flat, okay? Pop it in your bag, and they pop right open, and you're ready to go. You can even hang this from your cup holder at your workstation. And you can put this in your car, you can put this at your desk. I like having a few of these when I have a crop, at different stations, different cropping areas with different, custom cutting system, and here's the punches, and here, and you just, all the little trashes and little thingies can be put away, put into the bin there, and I really like those. Okay, now we're making a mess. Okay, so now this is the Rainbow Dots Small Flex Pod. I love the rainbow dots. Aren't they just adorable? This makes me think of like a little lunch bag. Like it could hold one of those Tupperwares that holds a sandwich. Maybe. I mean, why not? I have one of these, the black one, before they came out with the rainbow dots, in my car with Band-Aids and like, you know, little car things that you might need in the car. I can't remember the other stuff I put in there. But the interior has this nice teal color. Is that teal? Turquoise. And then it has this divider, if you would like to use a divider, where you can take it out and you can put it anywhere you want. You can have it up here, so then you just have pens and then photos. This is so cute. And then it has this little pocket for a business card or some sort of ID to, you know, hey, this is mine. Don't take it. I love it. It's so cute. It's perfect. I might use it for a lunchbox. I mean, makeup, scrapbooking supplies, you name it. This is so cute. Okay. Then we have the Rainbow Dots Card Pod. This one is more a square shape. I'm just gonna throw the trash on the floor for a minute. Or actually, there. Well, these are too big because they're full of air. Okay. So this is the Rainbow Dots Card Pod. So, here we go. Same turquoise or teal. It's like aqua. I love this color though. Interior. So you just put that in there, and now it is sturdy and solid. You have your lid that zips closed. You have a divider if you choose to use it. But this is great for makeup or little boxes of photos or cards as they had intended it to be used for. You can put punches in here. You can just load it up, get like 6 of them, load them up, and look at this. Look how cute. I mean, I'm ready to go, and I'm gonna arrive in style. I mean, so stinking cute. And you have your little spot for business card or some sort of identification that this is mine. Okay. Go kiddos. I love these little rainbow dots. What a great idea. And then when you're not using it and you want to put it away and you want to save room, because we all have a lot of stuff and we need to save room, all you do is you take out your 2 little pieces here, and they just pop right in the lid, and it's flat. Wow. Okay. So smart and so cute. I want like 10 of these. Very, very cute. Ta-da! Okay. Okay. Next, put these over here. And then, I forgot. These are the dividers for the pod. So, if I can figure out where they open. So if you do use it for cards or photos or matte packs or any, little pieces of cardstock, you can put these dividers in. So you have your dividers, right? And you have all these rainbow colors, so you can organize either by color, depending on what you're doing, or you can use labels and write what you want, because there's blank ones, but then there's also labels that are pre-printed with different types of cards: holidays, sympathy, thank you, thinking of you, wedding, school, encouragement, congratulations, birthday, anniversary. All of those can just go right onto here, and you can be so organized, it's ridiculous. Okay. And I don't think it's ridiculous to be organized, because I'm organized. I like to be organized. Makes life better. Trash. Okay, this is the part I'm really excited about. Okay. So, I ordered the Rainbow Dots Organizer. Tools organizer. Let's see, Rainbow Border Maker Organizer. I ordered the Rainbow Border Maker Organizers. I got 3. I want like 20, but you know. Here we go. That's what's in here. 2 more. So this is kind of plasticky, but it has a sort of stretchy, kind of nylon-y fabric over the top. It smells like glue, but not bad smell, just kind of like a fun, ooh, we're doing a project smell. My favorite. So here is one of the trays it comes with. Here is the other tray it comes with. Okay, let me show you how this works. Well, and then first, these go into this guy. It doesn't look like much, but look at this. You put your little bottom piece in. Now it has structure, and it holds up, right? Here's the lid. The zip's closed, right? And these guys fit inside like so. And what goes in these, you may ask? Border Maker cartridges, more Border Maker cartridges, and the Border Maker system. So let me get that out for you so you can see the magic. Now, if you've been wondering if you should get Border Makers and you didn't know where to put them, now you do. And let me tell you, they always come out with new ones, and you only have to have one system, and then you just add cartridges, right? Okay, so let's take a look here. We'll just put a few in. These guys go vertically. Love some of these so much. Some of them I use all the time. Clouds, notebook edge, like a notebook paper. This honeycomb one, constantly. These houses, I think they're in Last Chance. I use these like every other page. It's kind of ridiculous because you can use them as a whole strip. You can use just one house. You could use 4 houses. It's amazing. I've used the heart out of the houses, like, okay. So then this guy goes here, and this guy goes here. I think maybe this way, maybe this way. That's the way. So we have some, right? And then I'm thinking this guy goes on top in the bag, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then these guys are gonna lay horizontally or flat in here. So we'll pop a few in so you can see. They just pop right in. A lot of these you can use the positive or the negative. You can use it as a strip, or you can just use little pieces out of it. The other day, and I posted it, I have a video where I do the little ampersand layout, and I use this chevron punch right here, but I just use the little arrows out of it. I can't even, you just have to get it. Okay, so you take your bag, put the flat guys in first, I'm thinking. And then you put your system with your vertical guys in second, I'm guessing. And then, this is great. Woo, woo, woo. They are staying put. They're not sliding around. They're not banging into each other. And the rolling cart, if they come back with it, I don't know. I have put these in, I think you can fit 3, maybe 2, it's either 2 or 3 of these, like so, right into your rolling cart bag. So then when you fill this up and it gets a little heavy and you have a few of them, you just roll your rolling cart. So I'll tell you when those come back, if they do. I hope they do. Let's cross our fingers. All right, so that is the Border Maker Organizer. Let's see, let me call it the right thing. The Rainbow Border Maker Organizer. Okay, these are like $39 with the inserts. Okay, now if you don't like rainbow dots, okay, because rainbows are for everyone, but if you don't like rainbow dots and you just want black, you order the black bag and then you order the organizer inserts. Okay, the black bag and the rainbow bag are the same price. Gotta get these. Okay, so now we have all of our matching luggage. So cute. And then they give you labels. So if you want to label your border maker, this is Christina's border maker with a color. And then let's say you want to put a label in. Let's do that real quick. So, okay, let's say I want my house's border maker cartridge here. I want this to be its home every time I put it away. So I could put a pink label on here with my name, or it could just be pink. And then I can put pink right here, so when I go to put it away, I know where it goes, especially if you're sharing these with kids, with family, or for your crops and retreats when people are coming together, they know where you want to put it away. That's a good way to stay organized. Or you can have just white labels. These are a bunch of white labels. It's hard to see, but they're just like the colored labels. They're these little strips that you can write on, and then you can label. I've used a label maker, and I just put my name on all my punches since I go to retreats and crops and things like that, where people come over, and if we have the same border punch or whatever, I have my name on all my tools, because if we have the same tool, then we get them mixed up. For a little while I was just putting my initials, but then there were other people with my initials, so then I ended up with 2 or 3 of the same item because I grabbed them not thinking. Then I ended up giving them back, of course, but anyway, blah, blah, blah. So that's a cool way of staying nice and organized. And then the only other thing that I ordered was some tape runner refill and a straight trimmer blade. And that's it. I have to make another order right now because I need to order my pictures for the Tropic Time class. If you guys haven't signed up already, order your Tropic Time kit. I'll put the link right there, right there. That's the link. That's for the Tropic Time video to watch to see what you get and when the class is. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna do a virtual class. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Have a wonderful week.